Science Underground with your host, Ainissa Ramirez.
This week, can we make a transporter? I'm Ainissa Ramirez, and this is
Science Underground.
Star Trek has lots of cool technologies. Some of them have become a reality. Communicators have become cell phones, replicators have become 3D printers, and computer tablets have become, well, computer tablets. But what we could really use is a transporter. You know, that device that breaks a person down into very small parts and then puts them back together someplace very, very far away. Well, to learn if the transporter can be a reality, I talked to Lawrence Krauss, a physicist and the author of The Physics of Star Trek.
Assuming that in order to make you, I have to reproduce you down to the atomic level. There's a fancy law of quantum mechanics called the Heisenberg uncertainty principle that basically says I can't know where every one of your atoms is and what it's doing at the same time, which is kind of what I need to do to reproduce you exactly down at the atomic level.
For a transporter to work, you have to be taken apart and put back together atom by atom. You see, taking you apart and putting you back together breaks the laws of physics. There's a funky law in quantum mechanics that says the more that you know about where an electron is located, the less you know about how fast it is. It also says the opposite. The more you know about how fast an electron is moving, the less you know about where it's located. You can think of location and speed as two ends of a seesaw. The more you know about one, the less you know about the other. Now, this funky law in quantum mechanics is called the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. What it means is that a transporter will never be able to put you back together precisely.
Now, maybe I could make it a close approximation of you, but I don't know, you probably wouldn't want to try it out.
So in essence, entering a transporter would be a one-way trip. Do not get in. Engineers are unable to make a transporter because they would be breaking the laws of physics to do so. I'm Ainissa Ramirez, and this was
Science Underground.